Are you tired of greasy, time-consuming meals that leave your kitchen a mess? Meet the Philips Airfryer 3000 Series 6.5 Quart, a game-changing appliance that delivers crispy, delicious food with up to 90% less fat. This 16-in-1 air fryer, packed with RapidAir Plus technology, a cooking window, and the HomeID Recipe App, is designed to make healthy cooking fast, easy, and fun. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or a novice cook, this air fryer promises to transform your culinary experience. Let's dive into why this air fryer is trending in 2025 and why it deserves a spot in your kitchen. Why choose the Philips Airfryer 3000 Series 6.5 Quart? Imagine whipping up a family-sized batch of crispy chicken drumsticks or fluffy muffins in half the time it takes with a traditional oven, without the guilt of excess oil. The Philips Airfryer 3000 Series combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to solve common cooking woes: greasy food, long prep times, and tricky cleanup. Its sleek design, intuitive touchscreen, and versatile 16 cooking functions make it a must-have for modern kitchens. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe, saving you precious time after meals. Here's why this air fryer stands out. RapidAir Plus Technology. The star-shaped basket design ensures hot air circulates evenly, cooking food to crispy perfection inside and out. Say goodbye to soggy fries or unevenly cooked chicken. 6.5 quart capacity. Perfect for families, this air fryer holds up to 35.27 ounces of veggies, 8 chicken drumsticks, or 7 muffins, making it ideal for batch cooking or entertaining guests. 16-in-1 versatility. From air frying and baking to dehydrating and fermenting, this air fryer handles everything. With settings as low as 104 degrees Fahrenheit for fermentation and up to 24 hours for dehydrating, the possibilities are endless. Fat removal technology. Enjoy healthier meals with up to 40% less fat. The unique basket design lets excess fat drip away, keeping flavors intact without the grease. Cooking. Window. No more opening the basket and losing heat. Monitor your food's progress through the clear window for perfect results every time. HomeID Recipe App. Access hundreds of recipes tailored for the air fryer, from vegan dishes to kid-friendly snacks, ensuring you never run out of meal ideas. Energy efficiency. Cook up to 50% faster and use 70% less energy compared to a conventional oven, saving you time and money on utility bills. Easy cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Optional parchment liners sold separately make it even easier. Who is this air fryer for? The Philips Airfryer 3000 Series is perfect for busy families. The 6.5 quart capacity and fast cooking times make it easy to prepare healthy meals for 4 to 6 people. Health-conscious cooks. With up to 90% less fat, you can enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free. Beginner cooks. The intuitive touchscreen with 12 presets and the HomeID app simplify cooking even for novices. Eco-conscious households. Save energy and reduce your carbon footprint with 70% less energy consumption. Entertainers. Impress guests with versatile dishes, from appetizers to desserts, all cooked to perfection. Pros and cons. Pros. Cooks evenly and quickly with RapidAir Plus technology. Large 6.5 quart capacity, ideal for families or batch cooking. 16 cooking functions for endless meal possibilities. Healthier meals with up to 90% less fat. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Stylish design enhances kitchen aesthetics. HomeID app provides recipe inspiration. Cons. Slightly bulky, requiring ample counter space. 13 by 17.5 by 12.25 inches. Preset times may need adjustment for smaller portions. Accessories like liners sold separately. Why it's worth the investment priced competitively, around $129.99 to $169.99 depending on the retailer, the Philips Airfryer 3000 series offers premium features at a mid-range price. Compared to other air fryers in its class, its RapidAir Plus technology, cooking window, and 16-in-1 functionality set it apart. For example, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 lacks the cooking window and has fewer presets, while premium models like the Philips Airfryer XXL are pricier without matching the 3000 series versatility. Final thoughts. Elevate your cooking game. The Philips Airfryer 3000 series 6.5 quart is more than an air fryer. It's a lifestyle upgrade. With its ability to cook faster, healthier, and more efficiently, it's a game changer for anyone looking to simplify meal prep without sacrificing flavor. Whether you're air frying crispy wings, baking desserts, or dehydrating fruit, this air fryer delivers consistent, delicious results. Its sleek design, user-friendly features, and energy efficiency make it a worthy investment for any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.